How to make spicy chicken gravy. Ingredients: 300 grams chicken, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 3 cloves, whole, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods, ginger and garlic paste, 3 teaspoons garam masala powder, 3 teaspoons chicken masala powder, 3 green chillies, 3 teaspoons coriander, cilantro, powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, coriander, cilantro, leaves, fresh, mint leaves, fresh, 8 teaspoons curd, 200 grams oil. How to make it. 1. Heat 200 grams of oil in a pan. Add the cut onions and the spices, ginger and garlic powder, green chilies. 2. Add the tomatoes. After the tomatoes are thoroughly fried, add the cut chicken and fry them. Then, add coriander powder and salt. 3. Let the chicken cook well with the water in the paste and the water from the tomato. 4. Let the chicken cook well with the water in the paste and the water from the tomato. 5. Add the garam masala and chicken masala powder, red chilies. 6. Add the curd and bring it to a boil and close the stove. 7. Add the mint leaves and coriander leaves. 8. Serve hot with rice and some chapati.